What is up, guys? Jamaica vs. Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're dressed for the occasion. We have the gloves on. Yeah, dressed for the occasion. Yeah, the mask. Yeah, you know why? I know you asked why, but don't worry, I'm gonna tell you why. This song is about to be better than the virus. So I'm fearful of my life. So I'm dressed like this. Alright? Me no want to catch nothing because I know that song here. This song is RFB, Bandokay, and 𝐷𝐿𝐿𝐿. You see me? What's goodie? Let's jump straight to that song here. Me not waste no time. But before we do anything else, do this. Okay, so now that is finished, let's jump straight tonight. Quick and fast. Don't waste no time, man. You still don't understand why I'm just like this? This song get 50,000 views in less than 1 hour. This is why I'm here. You hear? Let's go. If you can't hear me, just listen carefully.
Yo, she don't know what's goodie. Shorty love wear my hoodie. Nose on feet, can't cheat, how could she? Give her.
Yo, she don't know what's goodie. Shorty love wear my hoodie, me pull over. Say no, so she must have to be comfortable to wear your clothes. The girl must be comfortable wearing your clothes in your house. You understand? She's comfortable wearing the pullover. Yard man say pullover, English man say hoodie. Let's go, bro.
But the Oaks verse tune a boogie. Bando wine hair for the cookie. She a rule one, she ain't got no rookie. I'm a bad man, I ain't got no rookie. Shoot no 40, come here, pussy.
Pop. Yo, she bad. She a real one. She ain't a rookie. You see me? Me a bad man, brother. Me and a rookie. You see me? Man a day, brother, me and a pussy. That the man I tell you say straight up. And I'm just reacting. Me and a pussy. Try know that. Let's go, man. Me not waste no time.
Little thing, my little marsh. Knows we ain't going on dates in North. Arguments getting back and forth. Do you love me? Sure, he said, course. You know.
No matter how much we argue back and forth all the while. Shanti say, yo, you love me? Me say, of course me love you. If I never love you, I would not put myself through so much stress. Me would not argue with you. Let's go.
Going on dates in North. Arguments getting back and forth. Do you love me? Sure, he said, course.
Of course. We go on date up north. Let's go.
Had a little cat line in ends and a stripe blocked off, kicked off like a horse.
In some of a little cat line at the ends. Like a cat line, a junkie line. And he said something about him shot to get blasted or something like that. I never get there, so him say that.
Do you love me? Sure, he said, course. You know. Had a little cat line in ends and a stripe blocked off, kicked off like a horse. Don't connect by force, a natural thing, I'll turn them course.
Basically, him say him shot to kick off like a arc, him shot to powerful, him shot to pack up like the arc with no full. Bloom! You don't know. Then him say something else, we go over my head. Please leave in the comment section when him say this after that.
I said, baby, they all want B. I see through them man, they see through. Lay night, I can stand no VQ. Give it a world, be there when I need you. Listen.
Yo! We can't see through them, boy. Them a see through, them a opaque. You see through them like a window, like an open door. We can't see through them pussy, them pussy and a real to the thing. Them fake. Let's go.
Listen to Rich when I got my 3-2 meeting a mum, nice to meet you. Her arms better fix his face when it's you. Listen to
Voila. It's just something about mommy.
Lay night, I can stand no VQ. Give it a world, be there when I need you. Listen to Rich when I got my 3-2 meeting a mum, nice to meet you.
You know, so you have to be certified for meet a girl mother. Especially in this time, you have to be certified to meet a girl mother. You have to be the one, you have to be the man to meet a girl mother. Me not carry woman home to my mother just like that. Woman have to be verified. Like a bomber does Instagram tick, the blue tick. You have to be verified like that for me carry her home. Try know that, let's go.
Face when it's missing around, man, we'll start to pre-load.
What I'm saying? We fix that face.
In a mum, nice to meet you. Her arms better fix his face when it's missing around, man, we'll start to pre-load.
Hey boy, uncle, fix yourself. Fix up yourself. Hey uncle, fix up yourself when you see man in the yard, brother. Nobody tough up your dirty self, brother. Fix your face when you see your niece, boy. Your niece happy. Try know that you not pappy. No, you hey boy. Uncle, fix your face. Don't bring up your face, brother. I leave.
Pretty little thing, gotta take him pics, like a pretty little thing. For the Insta, might buy a pretty little ring. Carnival, yo, the pretty little ching.
Ooh, the boss feel a way about that one, dog. Him feel nice about that one.
I'm taking pics, like a pretty little thing. For the Insta, might buy a pretty little ring. Carnival, yo, the pretty little ching.
This is how certified she is. He's having thoughts of buying her a pretty little ring. You see me? Carnival thing, pretty little ching. He's certified about this one. This one is the real one. This one can wash, cook, clean, have him back, do road with him. You see me? Back him, if anything, you know? You don't know it. Yeah, you see me? She have the thing locked, see him. She's 30, brother.
The brim, your guns are trash, put them in the bin. Dash it, bro, go it on him.
What am say about dash it? Whom dash it?
Ching, ying, fill up the thing to the brim, your guns are trash, put them in the bin.
Fill up the thing to the brim, your ganja. You say ganja trash? Put them to the bin.
Carnival, yo, the pretty little ching, ying, fill up the thing to the brim, your guns are trash, put them in the bin.
Your guns are... Oh, fill up the thing to the brim. Your gun, them where you have over there, so them trash, them not good. Then we backfire, then we shoot you. Them gun, they are malfunction. Them gun, they roll and rusty. Them gun, they musty. Them gun, they not go with nothing. Put them in the bin. A new gun, we have a bus over here. So OFB have new gun. Try know that OFB have new gun, boy. Know yourself. This mask is doing its job because that song you fire like a rocket. Let's go.
Dash it, bro, go it on him. If it's that, then it's that.
If you notice it, look at him. Look.
The thing to the
Hold
brim,
on.
your guns are trash, put them in the bin. Dash it, bro, go it on.
Him have two different foot at trainers. The boss, a rocket. Young J. Yeah, do it. Let's go.
On him, if it's that, then it's that. It'll tan man skin. She don't
Big up, thing in the back, Abra.
know what's goodie. No sure he love wear my hoodie. Nose on feet, can't cheat. How could she? Give her the Oaks version, a boogie.
Me say it already. When one OFB member I make a chat, all them man them in the video. Me like that. The support is real. No matter what them a do, them a find time to be in a them G video. Cause I don't know, it's a family thing. Not, hey boy.
Yo, Bandokay here for the cookie. She'll rule one, she ain't got no rookie. I'm a bad man, I ain't got no rookie.
Girl, them pretty though. Girl, them pretty like money. You girl, them pretty like roses in my garden.
You know 40, come here, pussy. She don't know what's goodie. Sure, he love wear my hoodie. Nose on feet, can't cheat. How could she? Give her the Oaks version, a boogie.
It's nice to see some drill artists and do some nice certified girl song. It's nice to see that. Me like it.
Bandokay here for the cookie. She'll rule one, she ain't got no rookie. I'm a bad man, I ain't got no rookie. Shoot no 40, come here, pussy.
Hey boy, come here. Alright, look at the next G. I jump in here now. Let's go. Let's hear what am I say now?
Hypnotized when she sees it's bossy. I told her you might get one if you're lucky.
Ooh, lift up. Let's go again.
No 40, come here, pussy. Hypnotized when she sees it's bossy. I told her you might get one if you're lucky.
She hypnotized when she see the boss, brother. She hypnotized. Me tell her, I say, listen, you might get one if you're lucky. One a move. One a... You don't understand what I say? You can't hear me? Got the mask? Let me take it. One and move. Let's go. You deaf?
Just in Dior when I'm stepping with Cuzzy. My shorty's cute, she appreciate honey. Nowadays...
Me girl look good. Me girl look marvelous. Me girl look tremendous. I'm here.
This man ride out, get money. Jump on the ride, but you got my cousin. Sorry, my guy.
What up? Where's that?
Cute, she appreciate honey. Nowadays, man ride out, get money. Jump on the ride, but you got my cousin. Sorry, my guy. This ain't cross country. Lovely job, you done up a dummy. Out.
When does say a while ago? Him bring the girl pan ride outs with him. That him I say? Is she that certified? Let me know in the comment section if that him say, cause hold on, man.
Jump on the ride, but you got my cousin. Sorry, my guy. This ain't cross country. Lovely job, you done up a dummy.
Sorry, my guy. This ain't cross country. What I mean by that? What if a long running thing? What? I don't know.
Out and about, why you pre me funny? I brief you, broadcast you some puppies. Racks in the bank, so I got a nice mumsy. Daps in the trap, encountering junkies.
Hey, he's going a bit grimy now.
This ain't cross country, lovely job, you done up a dummy. Out and about, why you pre me funny? I brief you, broadcast you some puppies.
When I'm out and about your pre-me, what you pre-me for, brother? What is your problem, dog? What the fuck you want? What you pre-me for, pussy? That the man I said, not me. Not me, sorry.
In the bank, so I got a nice mumsy. Daps in the trap, encountering junkies. Everyone's got something to say, but I'll tell you from now that it's love same way. My shorty's...
No matter what no one say. Everybody have something to say. But me not pre, you know. I love me a pre. But if you no bring war to me, you go get gunshot. Try know that.
Bad with a pretty little face, she's asking me, how does it feel with fame? Baby, buck it back and then go low, slow me. You gotta get used to the mojo.
Hey, girl, she's frightened of the fame. She asked me how it feels to be famous. I say, baby, too much question, broke your back and go low. Broke your back and go low. You know the thing go.
Man, see a thing from afar, she thought we was bando when I said yo-yo. Bando.
We say a thing from afar, she thought it was bando when we say yo. You see me? She at the wrong person she get. You see me? A double L's, brother, not bando. You see me? We got bando same in the video.
Open it up like yo, bro. Jump at the car, my man's like oh no. Ripping his best outfit from his wardrobe. Ash that fag, run back to the auto.
Ooh. Sorry to keep bringing it back, but you don't know me have to try to get the bars them.
Jump at the car, my man's like oh no. Ripping his best outfit from his wardrobe. Ash that fag, run back to the auto. She don't know what's goodie. No shorty love wear my hoodie. Nose on.
Me like this. Me like it. Me like it.
Fee can't cheat, how could she? Give her the 𝐷𝐄𝐻𝐿 tune 𝐉𝐀𝐌𝐀𝐈𝐎𝐍. Bandokay hair for the cookie. She'll rule and she ain't got no rookie. I'm a
Music stop. Bad enough? Bad.
bad man, I ain't got no rookie. Shoot no 40, pussy. She don't know what's goodie. Shorty love wear my hoodie. Nose on fee can't cheat, how could she? Give her.
Look at the girl them now. Make we talk about the ladies. Darling. My babies. Let's talk about these ones now. Hey, baby. Charlie. Things I will do to you, eh? You never know, eh? Charlie. Oh, rascal, me African now. Me a Jamaican again, me African now. No, let's go.
The 𝐷𝐄𝐻𝐿 tune 𝐉𝐀𝐴.
Is that... Oh, the girl had the red ear. She looks...
Shorty love wear my hoodie. Nose on fee can't cheat, how could she?
Is that IVD, right? That's an IVD, right? I'm sure that's an IVD.
Give her the 𝐷𝐿 tune 𝐉𝐀𝐴. Bando.
She IVD that. She loves to cut her tongue. I'm tell her, little girl, put the tongue in your head. Put the tongue in your head, IVD. Me tell you already. Alright, don't see me stick out the tongue in your IVD. Alright.
Wine hair for the cookie. She'll rule and she ain't got no rookie. I'm a bad man, I ain't got no rookie. Shoot no 40, come here, pussy.
Song nice. The girl them out in the same sort of gesture, you don't know. Video, not nice and simple on the tennis court. Not them not kill up themselves and nothing. You see me? Nice video. Gotta look good, man. Gotta look good. Yo, big up RFB, you know, man. Big up RFB, you know, man. Them do them thing. The whole camp. Like me said, the whole camp talented. The whole camp is talented.
6, baby.
Yo, like me said, the whole camp is talented. Guys, if you like the reaction, I want to see more energetic reaction like this. I might have missed a couple of bars, but don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. The song, the full song will be in the description below. So you can click it and watch the full song without me pausing it. Sorry, Mafiki, but I'm breaking it down, alright? So, what time is it? Time to get out of here. If you can't be good, be lucky. If you're not good for it, don't say nothing. Later.